How to create AI sales emails using Anyword. First, open your web browser and go to anyword.com. Then, sign into your account or create one if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Anyword dashboard, click Create Project or New Content, depending on the current interface. Next, select Email or Sales Email if that option is available. Now enter details about your product or service. For example, type, write a sales email promoting a cloud storage service with 1 terabyte of storage, automatic backups, advanced security, and a 30-day free trial. Choose your preferred tone of voice, such as professional, friendly, or persuasive, and select your target audience if those settings are available. Now, click Generate. Anyword AI will create several sales email variations, including a subject line, email body, and call to action. Review the generated emails and choose the version you like best. You can edit the content, regenerate new versions, or personalize the message before sending it. Finally, click 3-dot bottom of the screen to copy the completed email or export it if that option is available. That's it. You've successfully created an AI sales email using Anyword. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, marketing tips, and easy tech guides.